everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Firebase email. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Firebase is a platform developed by Google for creating mobile and web applications. To log into Firebase, you'll need a Google account. Let's move on towards the video. Click open a web browser, and once you do that, in the URL box type in firebase.google.com. Press the enter on your keyboard and you'll be taken to the official website. In order to log in, click on the sign in button at the upper right corner and choose one of your Google accounts in order to log in. After you do that, enter your Google account's password correct. If you want to double check your password, then click on the show password box and reveal your password so that you can correct any error has been made while typing in your password. Once you do that, click on the next button and you'll be logged into Firebase email account. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.